Okay, I found out something really interesting in this video. It actually came up with an alien message. So it explained an alien message that I got earlier in January. So this is part 201. It's line 18L. Google in alien math equation. My thing's blurry. Strange. Line 17T for AB geometry, velocity 5G Wow Seti. So there's the alien radio signal, and this is the mathematician Edward Kastner. There's his name. Okay, that's from this website. So 6.76 times 10 to the 10 terabecquerels per gram. The alien message 1, where it refers to the power of 10 in these videos. So you want to go to line, I don't know what's wrong with my camera here. Line 17, T4A, UFO alien contact equation given January 22nd, 2012. Velocity in my thoughts Wow Seti. That's the name of that video. The next one is line 17, T4B, alien contact travel black hole, universe UFO velocity equation Wow Seti. So those are the name of the two videos. It had to the power of 10 and I didn't know what it meant, so this is cool. This shows 10 to the power of 100, so it's 6.76 times 10 times the 100. So I didn't even know if we had anything like that. So when this came up, I thought, oh, this is awesome. So that's 1 Googol equals 1.0 times 10 to the power of 100. A Googol is a large number 10 to the 100. That is the digit 1 followed by 100 zeros. The term was coined in 1938 by a 9-year-old Milton Serrata, nephew of American mathematician Edward Kastner. Kastner popularized the concept in his 1940 book Mathematics and the Imagination. Other names for Googol include 10 trillion, on the short scale 10,000 sextillion, on the long scale 10 sextilliard, on the Peltier long scale. A Googol has no particular significance in mathematics, but it's useful when comparing with other very large quantities, such as the number of subatomic particles in the visible universe or the number of hypothetically possible chess moves. Edward Kastner used it to illustrate the difference between an unimaginable large number and infinity, and his role is sometimes used in teaching mathematics. So here's his book, Mathematics and the Imagination. That's what it looks like, from 1940. It rapidly became a bestseller and received several glowing reviews. Special publicity has been awarded since it introduced the term Googol. So quotes from Wiki is chapter 3 is pi, i.e. transcendental in imagery, to motivate E, mathematical constant. They discuss first compound interest and then continuous compound. So it's no other mathematical constant, not even pi, is more closely connected with human affairs. Page 86. E has played an integral part in helping mathematicians describe and predict what is for man the most important of all natural phenomena, that of growth. The exponential function y equals ex is the only function of x with the rate of change with respect to x equal to the function itself. The authors define the Gauss plane and describe the action of multiplication by I as rotation through 90 degrees. They address Euler's identity with the expression e pi I plus 1 equals 0, indicating that the venerable Benjamin Peirce called it absolutely paradoxical. A note of idealism is then expressed when there is so much humility and so much more vision everywhere. Society will be governed by science and not clever people, and not its clever people. Chapter 4 is assorted geometries, plain and fancy, and we looked at that before in February 1st, 2012. Message is to read chapters 3 and 4 of this book. It will provide a solution to what you seek. So April 19th, 2012. My thoughts, just going through all my notes and organizing them, giving each module titles. And I see that some of the stuff is mentioned in other videos, but not in this much detail. I finally found out what 10 to the power of 100 is, a Googol, a term coined by 9-year-old Milton Serrata and mathematician Edward Kastner. So we'll go on to our next video now.